your eyes is beautiful.
Aww. Well, the view is amazing. Monkey jumped right on my back.
Hello good people, good night. And today finally we go to Batur with nice
Company.
Friend from, where are you from?
I
don't know where you're
from Belarus.
Oh, from Belarus, yeah. This she can be nice partner for go to.
I'm the best you can hope for.
Yeah, I don't know, and just we'll see. Yeah, now what time? We go at 12. Yeah, we should to go at 12, and I hope all can be better for us. Hi,
And
my friend. Not yet
hi
girl.
friends, so we're finally at Batur. We're going
we still not.
yeah, so we're at.
So
Not
what
on.
about on the way?
The way was relatively painful. Just my butt hurts like hell, but it's okay. And we're here, and I'm super excited because the skies are so clean. The view's gonna be amazing. Oh my god, yes.
This first time for you in Bali, you climb?
Oh yeah, in Bali, yeah.
But in Indonesia, you've been
In Yogyakarta, I've been to a few mountains, but I forgot their
Bandung.
names.
in Bandung.
Bandung too, but it was more like trekking.
Why you speak English is good. You Russian.
No, I'm not
And
Russian.
your eyes like England or Germany, I don't know.
Just blue eyes. Stop that.
Interesting this one. Because your eyes is beautiful.
Aww.
Hi. Finally, we try to climb. What time now?
It's 3 a.m.
3 a.m. we start to climb to. We try to climb to Batur. I don't know how long to trekking with just 2 people. We don't have a team, and we don't know the way. We just follow the route. Maybe we wrong, but she's so excited. Sure. This first time. Walking. Enjoy, relax. Not give bullshit, okay? Not bullshit.
Just mocking the bully.
I hope not bullshit for us. Oh yeah.
The skies look good.
For entrance today we pay like 100.
Motherfucker! I could have gone for free, but I was lazy. I can't see when you're coming.
Ya. Ya, hari ini kita bayar kayak 100.000 untuk entrance. But this still nice, it's working for us. I don't know this true or no. We're wrong again, boy. You know, when you go in the neck, you always forget the way. I'm not sure. Follow aja. Setelah kita kehilangan jalan, akhirnya kita bertemu lagi jalan yang sebenarnya. you wanna explain something? You have no idea.
Well, the view is amazing. At least, you know, after all, we got an amazing view.
It's my jacket. So, what happened there with you? Are you okay? Just monkey problem, or?
And then it jumped over to your back, to Ryan's back. I was just, and then it jumped over to your back, to Ryan's back. I was just standing like this, trying to shake it off, and Ryan just jumped on Ryan instead.
But what about this view in Batur?
The view is incredible, as you can see.
Enough for you?
It's rare luck for us to watch
What
this
time now?
today.
What time now?
It is.
Oke, kita kembali ke bawah lagi. Ya, beginilah setelah karena terlalu gelap, kita nggak bisa terlihat terlalu ini dan she feel sleepy. She's so tired. I don't know what happened. She's so tired. I don't know what happened.
I'm okay.
Yeah, you're not okay.
I'm just focused. Focus on the way down.
Oke, terus seperti biasa. It's a bit difficult way to go to